Next slide po natin, mga first one ito. 2019 Volvo XC40, automatic all-wheel drive, number of cylinder po niya is 4, version po niya is R, design, odometer po niya is 89,724 km, 72 months to pay or 6 years to pay, 144 tax included. Ayun, 6 years to pay or 72 months to pay, 144 tax included. Gray color po siya. And then, nakasimitindad din po yung kanyang salamin. And then, ayan. Volvo. Oops. Ayan. Nakamags ang winter tire. Nakamags din ang summer tire. Nakamags silang both. 5-seater seat. Check. And close. Oops. Ayan, interior po niya rito sa likuran is ganito. Full sunroof, leather seat, 5-seater seat. And then, nakamags ang summer, nakamags ang winter. So, mabilis na lang siyang isalpak. Diba? Salpak yung gulong. And then, interior po niya in front is ganito po siya. And then, yung adjacent niya is dito. Ayan, then check natin. Yan. Kung sinong gustong mag-Volvo. Then, yung adjustan ng upuan niya dito, pwede siyang move forward, back forward, up, and down. Then, yung susi po niya dito, ayan, 2019 Volvo XC40. Backside po yung kanyang susi. Then, press button start. Ayan. Ganyan yung kanyang monitor. Diba? Loading. And then, parking brake po niya yun, dipindot po siya. Max natin. Ayan. Ayan, heated seat po niya yun, di touchscreen po siya. Magkabilaan, ayan, touchscreen. And then, same time, may sarili ka pong charging area. Lapag mo lang yung phone mo dyan kung saan na po siyang magcha-charge. Lagayan ng drinks, and then meron po siyang shifter dito sa magkabilang side. Ayan. Ayan. Then, full sunroof po siya. Hindi ko na siya i-open kasi babagsak yung snow. And then, 5-seater seat, leather seat. Nakamagsang summer, nakamagsang winter tire. And then, yung kanyang compartment dito. And then, yung kanyang manual. Ayan. And then, aralin natin to. Vehicle store and caption. Okay. Ito yung kanyang adjacent. Ayan. Para siyang manual, pero automatic po siya. Diba? Ayan. So, ulitin ko lang po, 2019 Volvo XC40, automatic all-wheel drive, number of cylinder po niya is 4, version po niya is R, design, odometer po niya is, ayun, 89,847 km, 72 months to pay, or 6 years to pay, 144 tax included. First change oil po niya is free, unang salpak din po ng kanyang summer tires, libre. Then, naka-full warranty din po siya sa engine and transmission, kasama towing, electrical, and then yung dashboard po ng inyong sasakyan. Diba? Naka-high siya, close. Car status. Ayan, touchscreen din po siya. Heated. Ano yun? Ayan, meron siya nito. Headrest fold. Dipindot siya lahat. Then park out. Parking only to parallel parking. Park in. Camera. Ayan. Clear na clear po yung kanyang parking brake. Diba? Park out. O, diba? Yung mga gustong mag-Volvo. Ayan. Whoops! Ayan, gray color po siya. So, ito po siya mga ka-person. So, once again, 2019 Volvo XC40, 72 months to pay or 6 years to pay, 144 tax included. Pa-PM na lang po ako kung sinong may gusto nito and then we'll process. Thank you!